Good morning everybody. Welcome back to our channel Sri Education. In previous class we learned how to draw the linear equations on graph. Today class is exercise 6.4. First question, in the election 60% of voters are cast their votes. Here 60% are voters are cast their votes. So from an equation and draw the graph for this data. Find the following form of graph. First one, the total number of voters if 1200 voters cast their votes. Here 60%. We find 1200 is the 100%. Here total voters. We find the 60%. Second one, the number of voters cast if the total number of voters are 800. Here total number is the 800. So first use these 2 points. We write the points. Here total number of voters and number of voters cast. So first we take total number of voters equal to y. So let the total number of votes be, we take y. So the number of voters who cast the votes, who cast the votes. So is equal to x. So here relation is given. Here hint, if the number of voters who cast their votes be x and the total number of voters be y. Here we take total number of voters be y and here cast their voters equal to x. Now here relation x equal to 60%. Here x is equal to 60% of y, because here y is the total number of voters. So here x equal to 60% of y. So we write here first, here x equal to, we find the x. Here first, here x equal to, here xy relation, we write the xy relation. The total number of voters if 1200 voters cast their voters. Here we write the total number. Here 1200 voters are cast their votes. So here x equal to, here cast their votes 1200. So here x equal to 1200 means here we find the y value. So here we find the y value. Here y value. Y is equal to, here x equal to 1200. X equal to 1200 means here 1200 is equal to, here 60% of y. 60% means 60 by 100 into, here we find the y value. Here we find the y value. Y is equal to, here y is equal to 100 by 60 into 1200. 0 get cancelled. 6 1s are 6, 2s are 12, 20. 100 into 20 is equal to 2000. 2000 is the y value. Here we take x equal to 1200 means y value is the 2000. Here 2000. Now next second point is the number of voters cast of the total number of voters are here 800. Total number of voters. We find the number of voters cast. Here total number is given. So we write here y is equal to total number 800. So now here we find the x value. Here x equal to, x equal to 60% of y. So here x equal to 60% of y. So here 60% means 60 by 100 into y is equal to 800. So 0 zeros get cancelled. So here 60 into 8, 480. So here x value is 480. So these two values, use these two values and we draw the line. So here first x, y points here 800 to 2000 is given. So here first we write the scale. Scale equal to x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 400 units. We take 400 units. And y-axis 1 centimeter equal to, we write the 400 units. So this is the scale. So here scale equal to x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 400. Y-axis equal to 1 centimeter equal to 400 units. So here first here to here 1 centimeter. So 400, 800, 1200. We write the scale. Same y-axis also 400, 800. Now here first point is 1200 comma 2000. On x-axis 1200. Y-axis is 2000. So here this is the point. Next one is the 480 comma 800. So here 400. So next first point is the 480 comma on y-axis 800. So this is the point. So join these 2 points. So join these 2 points. This is the line. Here 480 comma 800 is the one point. Next point is the 1200 comma 2000 is the second point. So this is the first one diagram. So here asking, so here first one asking from the graph when x equal to 1200 then y equal to 2000. So next here second one is the from the graph when y equal to 800 is given. Y equal to 800 is means then x equal to here 480. 480 is the answer. This is the complete first one answer. Next second question, when Rupa was born her father was 20 years old. So from an equation and draw a graph for this data. From the graph find. So here the age of the father when Rupa is 25 years old. Second one, Rupa's age when her father is 40 years old. So here age of the difference father and Rupa is 25 years is given here. So Rupa was born and her father was 25 years old. She born in her father was 25 years old. So means these two members age difference is 25 years. Rupa and her father age difference is 25 years. So first write that one. So here first we write let her father's age be x years. So and Rupa age is y years. Rupa's age b is equal to 5 years, y years. So here both difference of these by problem when Rupa was born his father was 20 years old. So here by problem here father age is x, Rupa's age is y. So x minus y is equal to 25 years. 25 years. So here now x y. So here first the age of the father when Rupa is 25 years old. Here Rupa age is 25 years. Here Rupa age is y equal to here 25 years. Her father age, she born at her father 25 years old. So 25 years old means here 50 years. Our father is 50 years because x minus y equal to 50. Here y is equal to here x minus y equal to 25. 25 means here x equal to 25 plus y. Here 25 plus y is the Rupa's age 25, that equal to 50. So here next Rupa's age when her father age is 40 years. Here our father age is given. Our father age is 40 years means here we find the Rupa age. Here Rupa age is equal to here Rupa age is equal to y is equal to Rupa age is y. Y is equal to here y is equal to x minus 25. Here x equal to 40. 40 minus 25 is equal to 15. Here 15 years is the Rupa's age. Her father age is 40 years. That period here Rupa's age is 15 years. So now use these points. We draw the line. Here already draw the x and y axis. So first we write the scale. Here scale equal to here points are here 15 to 50. 15 to 50 means here this is the age. So here we write the scale. X-axis, on x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 5 years. Same on y-axis, here also same, y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 5 years. So 5 years means here 0 to 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. So here x-axis and 50 is there. So 55, we write 60 also. Next y-axis, y-axis is here 15 to 25 is there. So we write here 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So first one is the 50 comma 25. Your point is the 50 comma 25. X-axis on 50. X-axis on 50. Y-axis on 25. Here 25. 50 comma 25. 50 comma 25. This is the point. So next here 40 comma 50. On x-axis 40. Y-axis on 15. 40 comma 15. 40 comma 15. So these 2 points, we join these 2 points here. Compulsory use the scale and join the points. So here join these 2 points. This is the line. Here equation is x minus y equal to 25. Yes, her age difference is 25. So this linear equation is x minus y equal to 25. So this is the second one graph. Next here just we write the answers. The age of her father when Rupa is 25 years old means we write the first answer from the graph. Age of the father when Rupa is 25 years. Rupa is 25 years is 50 years. Yeah, 50 years. Rupa is 25 years, her father is 50 years. So here 50 years. Rupa's age when her father is 40 years. Her father is 40 years means she 15 years. We write that one. So here Rupa's age when her father is 40 years is 15 years. So this is the second one answer. This is the second question in matter. Next this is the complete second one graph. Next third question, an auto charges 15 rupees for first kilometer and 8 rupees for each subsequent kilometers for a distance of x kilometers. So an amount of rupees y is paid. Write the linear equation representing these information and draw the graph. So with the help of the graph find the distance travelled if the fare paid 55 rupees when much would have to be paid for 7 kilometers. So here the first here 15 kilometers. Here 15 kilometers first kilometers. Next 8 rupees each for subsequent kilometers. So here x kilometers an amount of y rupees is paid. Here x kilometers he travelled x kilometers. Here he paid the y rupees. So here y is equal to 8x plus 15. We take y is equal to 8x plus 15. So here first an auto charges 15 rupees for first kilometers. So here charges for the first kilometer is equal to 15 rupees. So next charges for the each for subsequent kilometers for distance of x kilometers. So here charges of the subsequent kilometers for is equal to here 8 rupees per kilometer. So now here auto paid here y rupees, here y rupees paid. So amount paid is equal to y rupees when the distance travelled is x kilometers. Here distance travelled. Here distance travelled equal to x kilometers. So by problem here we write the y is equal to 8x plus 15. So here this is the y value. So now here this one we write the equation here, therefore linear equation 8x minus y plus 15 equal to 0. This is the linear equation. So here now we take the here first we take x equal to 1. X equal to 1 means here y equal to x equal to 1. That implies y equal to here 8 into 1 plus 15. Here 8 plus 15. 8 plus 15 means here 23. So here 23. Next x equal we take 2. X equal to 2 means here y equal to 8 into 2 plus 15. So here 8 plus 8 to the 16 plus here 15. 16 plus 15 means 31. So here 31. So next here finally here find the distance travelled if the fare paid 55 rupees. How much would have to be paid for 7 kilometers? Here 55 kilometer. He paid the 55 rupees means here how many kilometers? So here first when here y equal to 55 kilometers. So then x equal to we find the x value. Here x equal to here x equal to here in this equation we write the y equal to 55. Here 55 is equal to 8x plus 15. 8x equal to 55 minus 15. So here 40. 8x equal to 40. X equal to 40 by 8. 8 ones are 8, 5 are, is equal to 5 kilometers. Here 5 kilometers. X equal to 5 kilometers. If y equal to 55, x equal to 5 kilometers. Next, second one here. Second one, here 7 kilometers. Here 7 kilometers are given. So here x equal to 7. From the, we write the, use the graph and write the answer. But here x equal to 7. Then here y is equal to, substitute here 8 into 7 plus 15. So here 8 7 ja 56 plus 15. So here that equal to 71. Here x equal to 7 means y is equal to 31. So these two answers we observe the graph and directly we write the answers. So here next we draw the graph. Now first we observe the x and y values. Here 1, here least value is 1 on x axis, 1 comma 2 are the x axis, and y axis here 23 and 31 is there. So here we write the scale. First we write the scale equal to x axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit, and y axis 1 centimeter equal to, we take 2 units. So 2 units, I am already here draw the x and y axis. Here x axis on 1 2 3 1 unit. So that's why here we write the 1 2 3 4 5. Next on y axis 1 unit equal to 1 centimeter equal to 2 units. So here 1 centimeter equal to 2 units. 2 4 6 8. So here up to right here 44. So here first 1 comma 23 on x axis 1, y axis on 23. 23 means here 22 after 23. Here point is the 1 comma 23. Next second point is 2 comma 31 on x axis 2, y axis on 31 middle. Here 2 comma 31 is the point. So now join these 2 points. Here join these 2 points. This is the linear equation. On here equation is this is the 8x minus y plus 15 equals 0 is a linear equation. This graph is the third one graph. Now next fourth question. A lending library fixed charges for the first 3 days and the additional charges for the each day. Thereafter John paid 27 rupees for a book for kept for 7 days. He kept for 7 days, he paid 27 rupees. So here if the fixed charges be x rupees and subsequent per a day charges be y. So here then write the linear equation representing the above information and draw the graph of the same. For the graph, if the fixed, the subsequent for a day charges, and if the day change is 4 rupees, find the fixed change. Here charge is 7 rupees. Here total 7 days, first 3 days are here x rupees. So next remaining days, here 4 days are there. Each day here y. 4 into y, 4y. Here x plus 4y is equal to 27 rupees. Here total amount is John for a book kept for 7 days. Here John paid 27 rupees total. So here x plus 4y is equal to 27. So here John paid 27 rupees. Here total 7 days. First 3 days are x rupees. So here first John kept a book for 7 days. So he paid total 27 rupees. He paid here 27 rupees. 27 rupees. So here first 3 days are here x rupees. First 3 days are x rupees. So for first 3 days, here first 3 days is equal to x rupees. So this amount is fixed for 3 days. So next for the last 4 days, remaining days here for the last 4 days. Here last 4 days equal to, here each day is the y rupees. Here 1 day y rupees means here 4 days 4y. So here 4y. So here y for 1 day, y for a day. So here 4 days, last 4 days is 4y. So equation, here we write the equation is, here equation equal to x plus 4y equal to total amount is the 27 rupees. So now here we take the x equal to 3. X equal to 3 means here we write the y equal to here 27 minus x by 4. So here now here we take x equal to 3. X equal to 3 substitute in this equation. So here x equal to 3. X equal to 3 means here y equal to 27 minus 3 by 4. Here 24 by 4. Here 6. Y value is 6. So now here next we take x equal to 11. X equal to 11 means here we write the y value 27 minus 11 by 4. So that equal to here 16 by 4. So 4 the 16. So here y value is the 16. Next we take x equal to 7. X equal to 7. Here we write y value is 27 minus 7 by 4. So here 20 by 4. Here 4 1s are 4 5s are 5. Here x equal to 7 means here y value is 5. 3 6. X is 3. Y value is 6. 11 4 7 5. So now we draw the diagram. Now here we write the points here. 3, 6 is the one point. Next 11, 4 is the second point. Here 7, 5. So use these 3 points and we draw the line. So now here I am already draw the x and y axis. So here first we mark the first point 3, 6. 3, 6. X axis on 3 and y axis on 6. So here point is here. Next here 11 is there, but here on x axis 11 is not there. So now next we mark the third point is 7, 5. So here 7 on x axis is 7 and y axis is 5. So here point is here. So join these 2 points and draw the line. Compulsory we use the scale and draw the line. So this is the line of equation x plus 4y is equal to 27. X plus 4y equal to 27. This is the fourth one diagram. So this is the fourth question, complete solution. Now fifth question. 15th question, the parking charges of a car in Hyderabad railway station for first 2 hours is 50 rupees and 10 rupees each subsequent hours. So 2 hours after each hour 10 rupees. Write down the equation and draw the graph. So find the following charges for the graphs. Suppose here 3 hours we paid how much amount? Next 6 hours for 6 hours. Next third one, how many hours did Rekha park her car if she paid 80 rupees. Suppose she paid 80 rupees, how many hours? So find these 3. So first here total amount is we say y. Y means here first 2 hours is 50 rupees. Next hours is remaining hours is we say x. X minus 2 into 10. 50 plus x minus 2 into 10. Y is equal to. So first we write the equation and draw the graph. So here let the total money paid be here y rupees. So here parking charges for 2 hours. 2 hours is 50 rupees. So here parking charges for first 2 hours. Charges for first 2 hours. Here first 2 hours is 50 rupees. Next after each hour is 10 rupees. So after each hour is 10 rupees. So we write that one. Parking charges for total, suppose here total x hours, we say x hours 10 rupees for each hour. After 2 hours after each hour 10 rupees. So here 10 is equal to 50 plus x minus 2 into 10. So here 50 plus 10 into x 10x minus 2 into 10 20. So here 50 minus 20 30 plus 10x 30 plus 10x 30 plus 10x is the total amount. Here total amount we write y. So here y equal to here 10x plus 30 is the equation. So here equation equal to y equal to 10x plus 30. 10x plus 30. So now here we write the points. Use this equation and write the points. So here we take x comma y values. Here x equal to we take 3. 3 means here y is equal to x equal to 3. That implies here y is equal to 10 into 3, 30 plus 30, 60. So here point is the 3 comma 60 is the point. Next we take any value. Here x equal to 5. So here y equal to 5 into 10, 50 plus 30, 50 plus 30, so 80. So point is the 5 comma 80, 5 comma 80. So next we take 7. 7 are y is equal to 70 plus 30, 100. So here 7 comma 100 is the point. So here 3 means here 60, 5 80, here 7 100. So we use these points and draw the line. Here I am already draw the x and y axis. So here first we observe the x and y coordinates. Here 3 5 7. So here 1 to 10 enough. So we draw the on x axis 1 to 10 numbers. So next here y axis 60 80 100. So that's why we take on x axis 10 20 30 40 50 60 to 100. Now here we write the scale. Here scale is the, here x axis is 1 centimeter equal to, we take 1 unit, and y axis 1 centimeter equal to, here we take 10 units. So this is the scale. So now here we mark the points. Here first point is the 3 comma 60. Here 3 comma 60 on x axis 3 and y axis are 60. So 3 comma 60. So this is the point. So next 5 comma 80 on x axis 5 and y axis are 80. So here 80. So here 5 5 comma 80. So next 7 comma 100 on x axis 7 and y axis 100 on x axis 7. So here we mark it 100. 100 means here 100 is there. So here 3 points. We mark 3 points and after join these 3 points. So here join these 3 points and draw the line. So this line name is y is equal to 10x plus 30 is the line. So this line, first here 3 questions are given. First question here for 3 hours. First question here for 3 hours. For 3 hours. For 3 hours here amount is, first one answer we write the first one answer for 3 hours is equal to, here we substitute the y value. Here y is equal to 10x plus 30. So in this place here x equal to, we substitute the 3. Here first asking for 3 hours. 3 hours means here x equal to, here y is equal to 10x plus 3. But here we write the, for 3 hours y equal to 10x plus 30. Here x equal to, we substitute 3. 30 plus 30. So that equal to 60. 60 rupees. Here 60 rupees. So second one here, second one is the for 6 hours. Here second question is for 6 hours. For 6 hours. For 6 hours. For 6 hours equal to, here y equal to amount is, so here 50, 10x plus 30. 10x plus 30 means here 10 into 6 plus 30. 60 plus 30. 60 plus 30 equal to 90. So here total amount is 90 rupees for 6 hours. 60 rupees for 3 hours. So next here, how many hours did Rekha park her car if she paid 80 rupees as parking charges? So now here we, Rekha, so Rekha paid 80 rupees. 80 rupees. So 80 rupees means here y equal to 80 rupees equal to here 10x plus 30. 10x plus 30. So here 10x equal to here 80 minus 30. So 10x equal to 50. X equal to 50 by 10. 0 0 get cancelled. 5 hours. So here 5 hours. So 5 hours bill C pay the parking amount is 80 rupees. So this is the complete 5th one answer. So this is the graph of 5th question. 5th question graph. Complete 5th answer. This is the 5th one graph. Next, sixth question. Samira was driving a car with uniform speed of 60 kilometers per hour. Draw distance to graph. From the graph, find the distance traveled by Samira in 1.5 hour, 2 hour, 3.5 hour. So here first, Samira was driving a car with uniform speed of 60 kilometers per hour. So here speed is 60 kilometers per hour. So draw distance time graph. For the graph, find the distance traveled by Samira in. So here total 60 kilometers. Here time is not given, so x hours. Here time is the x hours. She taken x hours. So total is the y hours. Here find the distance traveled by the Samiras. So here Samira was driving a car with a uniform speed of 60 kilometers per hour. So here speed of a car equal to speed of the car is equal to 60 kilometers per hour. So now here time taken, let the time taken x hours. So here total distance traveled time is y hours. So here total distance traveled be here y hours. So now here we write the equation. Here equation equal to here 60 into x equal to total here y. So here this one we write the 60x minus y equal to 0. So this is the equation. Now here we write the points x comma y. So here suppose x equal we take 1. So x equal to 1. That implies here y equal to 60x. 60x means here 60 into 1, 60. Your point is the 1 comma 60 is the point. So next here x equal to 2 means here x equal to 2, y equal to 60 into 2, 120. Here point 2 comma 120. So next here x equal to 3. Here y equal to 60 into 3 equal to 180. So here point is the 3 comma 180. So here 1 comma 60, 2 comma 120. Here 3 comma 180. So these three are the points. Now here we use these 3 points and draw the line. Here already we draw the x and y axis. Here x axis, this is the y axis. So x axis are 1. Here points, we observe the points 1, 2, 3 numbers are there. So we write the 1, 2, 3, 1 to 14 numbers. And y axis on 60, 120, 180 numbers is there. So that's why we take here scale is, we write the scale. Here x axis is equal to here 1 centimeter equal to, we take 1 unit, and y axis here 1 centimeter equal to, we take 20 units. So 20 units, we take 20 units. That's why here y axis we write the 0, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200. So we write these numbers. So now here first point is the 1 comma 60, and x axis is the 1, and y axis is the 60, 1 comma 60 here. Next 2 comma 120 here 2, and x axis 2, and y axis is the 120. So here 2 comma 120. Next 3 comma 180 here, x axis is 3 comma 180. So here 3 comma 180, and x axis is 3, and y axis are 180, 3 comma 180. These three are the points. So now join these 3 points here. So join these 3 points. So this is line equation is here 6x minus y equal to 0. So here asking 3 questions. Here 1.5 hour, 2 hours, 3.5 hours. So we write that answers. Here first 1.5 hour. So first distance traveled in distance traveled in 1.5 hour. Here 1.5 hour equal to, we observe the graph and write the answer. Here 1.5 means 1, 2 between line is the 1.5, middle line is the 1.5. So here 1.5 means here 90. We draw the 90. So here 80. Here 80 and 90 middle line is the 90. So here it touches 90. So touches 90. So 1.5 hour is equal to 90. Next here 2 hours. Here 2. 2 hours means here 2. Where is touch here? Here 2. This one is the 2. So here 2. Here 120. Here 2 is the 120. 2 is the 120. Next 3.5 hours. Here 3.5 here. So here 3.5 hours. Here we draw the line. So here 210. So now here we write the here 1.5 hour 90 kilometers. So next second one is the distance traveled in 2 hours is equal to 120 kilometers, and third one is the distance traveled in 3.5 hours is equal to 210 kilometers. This is the complete sixth one answer. And sixth one diagram. Next, seventh question. The ratio of the molecular weight of hydrogen and oxygen in water is 1:8. Set up an equation between hydrogen and oxygen and draw its graph. From the graph, find the quantity of hydrogen if oxygen is 12 grams and quantity of oxygen if hydrogen is 3/2 grams. So here int is given. If the quantities of hydrogen and oxygen are x and y are respectively, a ratio is 1:x, 1:8. 1:8 equal to, we write the equation 8x equal to y. Here already equation is given. So use this equation and draw the line. So here first use this equation, we draw the line. After hydrogen, if oxygen is 12 grams, we find the hydrogen quantity here, and quantity of the oxygen if hydrogen is 3/2. So here we find the quantity of oxygen. So first we use the equation and draw the graph. So here we write the quantity of hydrogen. Quantity of hydrogen is equal to, we say, x grams, and quantity of oxygen is equal to here y grams. So now here we write the equation. Here already given the equation, so we write that one here 8x equal to y. That implies here we write the equation 8x minus y equal to, this y carry to left hand side. So 8x minus y equal to 0. This is the equation. So now here we write the points x and y. Here x equal to, we take 1. 1 means here y is equal to 8. Here 1 into 8, 8. Next x equal to 2. 2 into 8, 16. X equal to 3. 8 3s are 24. X equal to 4, 32. So here points. Here these 4 are the points. Now use these 4 and draw the line. So here x values are 1 to 4 and y values are 8 to 32 is there. So here now here 1 comma 8, point is the 1 comma 8, on x-axis y 1 and y-axis is 8, 1 comma 8, this is the point. Next point is 2 comma 16, on x-axis 2, y-axis is 16. Here this one is the, on x-axis is 2, y-axis is 16. So this is the another point. Next 3 comma 24, on x-axis is 3, y-axis is 24. So this is the third point. Next here fourth point is 4 comma 32, here 4 comma 32. Here 32 is there, 32, 4 comma 1, 4 comma here 4 comma 32, 4 comma 32. So now here join these lines. Join these lines. So this is the equation. So this is equation 8x minus y equal to 0. 8x minus y equal to 0. Here in question, from the graph, find the quantity of the hydrogen if oxygen is 12 grams. If oxygen is 12 grams, oxygen is y. Y is 12 grams, so that's time oxygen. Y is 12 grams. Y is 12 grams means here. Here oxygen is, so here too we draw the line. This is the oxygen quantity 1.5, 1.5. So next, Oxygen if hydrogen is 3 by 2 grams. The quantity of oxygen if hydrogen is 3 by 2 grams. If hydrogen, here hydrogen is the X. X is the 3 by 2 means 1.5. Here 3 by 2 means 1.5 grams. That time is hydrogen is 12. Both are same. So here first from the graph, here we write the remaining answer from the graph. The quantity of hydrogen if oxygen is 12 grams. If oxygen is 12 grams means here hydrogen is 1.5 means 3 by 2 grams. That equal to 3 by 2 grams. Next here the quantity of the oxygen if hydrogen is 3 by 2 grams. 3 by 2 grams equal to here 12 grams. So this is the 7th one answer. This is the complete 7th one answer. This one is the 7th one graph. Here scale and graph. Next 8th question. In the mixture of 28 liters, the ratio of milk and water is 5:2. Set up the equation between the mixture and milk. So draw its graph. By observing the graph, find the quantity of milk and in mixture. The ratio between mixture and milk is 5 plus 2 is to 5. Here 7 plus 7 is to 5. So in a mixture 28 liters, ratio of milk and water. Here 5 is to 2. Here 5 liters, suppose 5 liters milk and 2 liters water. So set up the equation between the mixture and milk. So draw the graph. Here first quantity of milk. Here total 28 liters and the ratio of the milk and water is 5:2. So first we take quantity of milk in the mixture is equal to here X liters and quantity of the water. Quantity of the water, here water equal to Y liters. Quantity of the water equal to Y liters. So the ratio of the water and milk and water. Ratio of milk and water. Milk and water equal to 5:2. So total sum of the ratio here. Sum of the ratio equal to 5 plus 2 equal to 7. So here quantity of a milk. Quantity of a milk. Here quantity of a milk is, here milk ratio is 5 by total ratio into here total. Total here 28 liters. So we write the Y. Here quantity of the mixture. Here Y is the quantity of a mixture. Total mixture. So here quantity of the milk equal to 5 by 7 into Y. So here quantity of the milk is X equal to 5 Y by X. So here 7X equal to 7X equal to 5Y. That implies here we write the 7X minus 5Y equal to 0. Here X and Y values. Here X equal to we take 5. Y equal to X equal to 5. So here equation Y equal to 7 by 5x. So here x value substitute here. Here 7 by 5 into 5. 5 get cancelled equal to 7. Here point is the 5 comma 7. So here we write the 7. So next here x equal to 10. X equal to 10. Here we write the y is equal to 7 by 5 into 10 is equal to here 1s are 2s are 14. 14 means here point is the 10 comma 14. So 10 comma 14. Next x equal to 15. X equal to 15 means here y equal to 7 by 5 into 15. 1s are 3s are 21. So here 15 comma 21 is the point. So here 21. So these three are the points. We use these 3 points and draw the line. Now here x coordinate is 5, 10, 15 and 7, 14, 21. So here we take scale here, x-axis on 1 centimeter equal to 2 units and y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 4 units. We take 4 units. X-axis on 2 centimeters and 2 units, and y-axis on 1 centimeter equal to 4 units. So that's why here write 0, 4, 6, each centimeter equal to 2 units. And next on x-axis, each centimeter equal to 4 units. So 0, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So first we mark the first point is 5 comma 7. 5 means we are middle. 5 comma 4 after 5. Here 5 comma 7. 7 means here. Here 4 to 8 means here middle is the 6. 6 and 8 middle is the 7. So here this is the point. Next here 10 comma 14. Here 10 and 14. 14 is the middle line is the 14. 10 comma 14. Next 15 comma 21. 15. Here 15 is the middle line, and here is the 21. So now join these 3 lines. Here join these 3 lines. This is the line of 7x minus 5y equal to 0 is a line. 7x minus 5y is the line. So here finally we write from the graph quantity of a milk in the mixture is equal to 20 liters, because here total 28 liters. Here milk is the 20 liters and water is the 8 liters. This is the complete 8th one answer. Next, this one is the graph of 8th one. Next, 9th question. In countries like USA and Canada, temperature is measured in the Fahrenheit, whereas in the countries like India, it is measured in Celsius. Here a linear equation that converted Fahrenheit to Celsius. This is the equation. F is equal to 9 by 5 centigrade plus 32. Suppose here Fahrenheit is given, we find the Celsius. Here Celsius is given, we find the Fahrenheit. This is the relation equation in Celsius and Fahrenheit. So draw the graph of the above linear equation having the Celsius on the x-axis and Fahrenheit on the y-axis. So the temperature is 30 degrees. What is the temperature of the Fahrenheit? Next, the temperature is 95. What is the temperature of the Celsius? And next, here is their temperature and the numerically the same value of both Fahrenheit and Celsius. If yes, find it. So minus 40 degrees centigrade, here Fahrenheit and Celsius both are equal. So here we take minus 40 degrees. So now first we use these instructions and we use the equation, draw the diagram. Now here first we write the given equation. Here given equation is F is equal to 9 by 5 into Celsius plus 32. So here if x equal to, here x equal to we take C and F equal to we take F. So C, F. Here on x-axis graph above the linear equation having Celsius on x-axis. So we take C, Celsius on C, Fahrenheit on y-axis. So here y-axis on F. So here first one is completed. So C equal to we take Celsius 10 degrees centigrade. So Fahrenheit equal to 9 by 5 into, here we write the 10, C plus we write the 10 plus 32. So here 5 ones are 5 twos are 18 plus 32, here 40 is the Fahrenheit. And next C equal to we take 30 degrees. Here second one is asking the temperature is 30 degrees. What is the temperature of the Fahrenheit? So we take 30 degrees. Fahrenheit equal to 9 by 5 into 30 plus 32. Here 5 ones are 5 6 are. So 9 6 are 54 plus 32. 54 plus 32 86. Here next, if the temperature is 95 degrees, what is the temperature of the Celsius? So here what is the temperature of the Celsius? Here Fahrenheit is 95. So that's why here Celsius is 35 degrees. So here F is equal to 9 by 5 into 35 plus 32. Here 32. 5 ones are 5 sevens are 9 sevens are 63 plus 32. 63 plus 32 is the 95 degrees. Here 95 means Celsius is 35. Next, fourth one is the if there is a temperature has numerically the same value of both Fahrenheit and Celsius. So minus 40 degrees both are equal. So that's why here we take the minus 40 degrees. Here 9 by 5 into minus 40 is plus 32. So here simplify this one. Here 5 ones are 5 8s are. So 9 8s are 72. Minus 72 plus 32. Here minus 72 plus 32 is equal to minus 40 degrees. Here Celsius we take minus 40. Here Fahrenheit also minus 40. Both are equal. So now here we write the points Celsius and Fahrenheit. Here we take 10. 10 means here 40. 40. Next here Celsius is 30. 30 means here 86. Next Celsius is 35. Here 95. Next Fahrenheit Celsius is minus 40. Minus 40. So we use these points. Here we write the points here 10 comma 40. Here 30 86. Next 35 95. Next here minus 40 minus 40. So we use these points and draw the line. Here I am already draw the x and y axis. So first see Celsius on x axis and Fahrenheit on y axis. So now here we write the scale. Here scale Fahrenheit equal to, we write on y axis. X axis is Celsius. X axis equal to 1 centimeter equal to 5 units and y axis 1 centimeter equal to 10 units. We take these units. So here y axis, here x axis is 5 units means 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Next y axis on 1 centimeter equal 10 units means here 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So we take this. So now here we draw the, mark the points. Here first one is the 10 comma 40. On x axis 10, y axis is 40. So here 10 comma 40. So next on x axis 30 and y axis is 80. So 86. So 30. Here on x axis 86 here. So next 35 comma 95. 35 on x axis 35 comma 95. So 95 here. 95. So here is the 1 point. Next minus 40 comma plus 40. Minus 40 on x axis. So here on x axis here 40 minus here 35 next here 40. So here minus 40 comma plus 40. So here 35 is there. So that's why here mark here minus 40. So this is the next point. So join these points. Here small mistake. Here 18 to 9 to 18 plus 30 to 50. So 10 comma 50 is the point. So now here we mark the 10 comma 50. Here 10 comma 50. Here point. So now join these points. So here join these points. So this is the line. So now here this line equal to F equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32. So this is the line. This is the 9th one answer. So this is the first 9th question after complete 9th one solution. Next here down one is the 9th one graph. Now this complete PDF notes link on description is there. If you are interested, download it.